Okay, let's review some Bored Apes. Alright.
Why is my computer fuming?
What? Okay. Bored Ape NFTs. And you know that I searched up Asian kid falls off a bike. Oh god, why is my lagging so hard? Bored Ape NFTs.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be reviewing Bored Ape NFTs. I'm Eric Cartman, and this is
That's not
Cowboy.
how that is not how he sounds like. He sounds like this. Hey guys, today. Okay. Oh.
No, I'm not even trying to make a voice impression of Eric Cartman.
All right. Let's start with this one.
So we have Captain Ape.
Captain Ape. I think this guy's like a 7 out of 10. He looks pretty tight. Pretty tight, right? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, like 7 out of 10, right? Is this agreed?
I would put 6.5.
All right. Next one. This one drippy. 8 out of 10.
Yeah, he's smoking a bill.
Is that a toothpaste? I think that's actually a roll of toothpaste. Never mind. These ones don't know this too many.
Wait, it is. I thought it was a dollar bill.
It's just smoking toothpaste. All right. Next one. 10 out of 10. Look at that bra. Look at the bra.
Damn. Mommy.
What the hell? Oh, this is what happens when you eat Skittles. Too many Skittles.
This is mommy. This is mommy.
Yeah, this one's hot. 77 out of 10. No, 30 out of 10. Shit! Oh my god, there's so much drippy. This is drippy. Like, oh my god.
Biting his lip.
10 out of 10.
It's King Ape.
Like 5 out of 10. It's pretty mid. It's okay.
It's mid. Average.
Oh. No.
That's not a Bored Ape NFT.
That's not a Bored Ape. That's just a dead body. Hey. Okay, let's not review this one. This one's just the same as the other.
I hate dead bodies.
Yeah. No, mine is 2 out of 10. You get disqualified. It's boring. Oh, what the hell?
It's a GIF.
Okay. Oh my god. Wait. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Like, oh my god. This is a 6 out of 10.
Yep.
Alright. NFT holders in limbo after. I don't like this one.
Yeah, he's not drippy. Ooh.
These are boring. Let's review every NFT. All of them. Every
NFT in existence.
Okay, every NFT in existence. Half of these are just NFT, like people saying the word NFT. These aren't even NFT. Hold on.
We go to OpenSeas.
Oh yeah, let's go to OpenSea. Alright. Where's OpenSea? There. Ethereum.org. You want to make an NFT? Oh yeah, we already did. It's just that you couldn't sell it. It sucks. Alright. Let's review every NFT ever.
Yep.
All of them. So, none of them are loading. Okay, there. Let's see which one looks cool to you.
Remember the bear NFTs?
They look so bad. What the hell are these? Oh no, those are good. Let's find like the worst NFT we can find.
Alpha Pong?
This is proof that you don't need to be like good at art to make it, you know? Oh, oh, oh. This is because you don't have to be good at art to sell it, you know, like to sell a good art. This is like the most
Look at the
vile.
third one. Look at the third one, bro.
Oh, this one's the
This one
best.
looks like an average college dropout.
This
School
just looks
dropout.
like a homeless person. This is
Oh, you got the pink ape?
oh, this was the best one. This one's a 10 out of 10. Let's find like the vilest, like just disgusting NFT. Oh my god, this just looks
You
like
know what this reminds me of?
what?
Do you know the movie Rampage? It's exactly how that albino one looks like.
Dude, it's his brother. They're brothers.
It's Drippy.
He's brother with the other guy.
No, they're all brothers, but they look identical.
Yeah, they all look they just look the same with different colors, you know?
That's exactly what an NFT is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this guy's got the skateboard. What the hell is going
That's
on?
Drippy guy.
If I remember, there are 8,888 of these. Do you want to review every single one?
This is getting really boring.
This is getting boring.
Should we end the video?
Yep.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching Eric Cartman and Cat Person reviewing NFTs, Alpha Kong NFTs.
Yep.
Bye.
Alright.